Here's how to quickly refresh your socks. They will look like new. Yellowed socks are a problem you've probably dealt with, but there is a simple solution. Prepare half a liter of water and add a little potassium permanganate. Stir well until the powder is completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a bowl with warm water and soak your socks in it. Leave them for a few minutes so the mixture can work. In the meantime, prepare a second bowl with clean water and add hydrogen peroxide. Once the socks have soaked, take them out of the first bowl and gently squeeze out the excess water. Then carefully dip them into the hydrogen peroxide water and wait a moment. You will see how they regain their white color. This is a simple and effective method that will make you forget about yellowed, dull socks and enjoy their fresh, clean look again. Your socks will look like new, and the whole process will take you just a few minutes.